Hey guys, in today's video I have a healthy and delicious simple vegan recipe. We're making chickpea potato stew. So let's get into it. So first I'm starting off by rinsing off a few Yukon Gold potatoes and 1 red pepper. I ended up using about 5 small potatoes. And here I'm dicing up 1 red pepper and 1 white onion. I'm just going to saute it in about 1/4 cup of grapeseed oil, and I'm adding some sea salt and black pepper. Now I'm adding the chopped potatoes, and I'm adding some more sea salt and black pepper on top of the potatoes. And I'm just going to mix it up and let it cook down on low heat. And I'm putting a lid on it so it can cook faster. And once the potatoes are tender, I'm adding some minced garlic. I added about 1 teaspoon. And now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of this Ethiopian berere seasoning that I got from Whole Foods. You can leave that step out, or you can just look at the seasonings on the back and add your own mixture to it. Now I'm tasting the potato to see if it needs more seasoning, and I'm adding more salt and pepper, and also I added some garlic powder. And I'm adding 1 20-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. Now I'm adding 2 cups of greens. You can use any type of green. I'm using kale. So I'm just adding it and then mixing it up. And once it starts to wither down, I add some more of the kale. And at this point, I have the flame on simmer so it doesn't overcook. Now I'm adding 2 15-ounce cans of garbanzo beans, which are the same as chickpeas, rinsed and drained. And I'm adding more of the African berere seasoning on top. And just let this cook down for 5 more minutes, and now I'm eating it with some couscous. And that is it. That's a very simple, healthy, delicious vegan meal. Hope you enjoyed the video. I will see you next time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.